Hello everyone. My name is Cielo Machuca, and in this state, I would like to present some of the product, well, not exactly product, and it's an application that I realized when I was, in a course of the university. My team and I were look for this and try to improve and innovate in some of the the most occasion that was happening those days. It is about 2020, and I would like you enjoy this presentation. And let's start. This was created about, in the course of Emprendimiento e Innovación at university. It's called Mamita Store. This is on a virtual read that we could in what we could find some of the food and the basic needs, the basic products that we need in those days. And we were looking for an easy way that people could get these basic things, but not exactly to expose himself to the viruses in that time. So we look for the benefits of this new application that we try to applicate in in our days, our lives. And continue with this presentation, we could find the most of the things, the benefits that we could get with our product. Some of them are that we could reduce this contact that had the people and with was to start the sick and the pandemic in general. And they could have these basic products in the comfort of their houses. And also we could activate and improve the economy that was so basic in those days. We could find a way to introduce again these habits that we have in our life that was so common, but about the pandemic it could be realized in the way that we knew in that time. Also we could everyone could find the stock in a real time of the products, the basic products. And this was a very safely sell of the products. And also as I said, to take the beer be so aware about the pandemic and this sake that we have in our lives. We could reduce the contact between us and also take care of ourselves. We could use to also the very most common channels that we could be knowing our our product, our app that was in the websites, the radio, the communication between our customers, and also the social networks. And this was some of the things that we could how it works also, and our benefits in in costs. And some of them are about ourselves, that how could get some money of our this product. Also this is the product exactly. We could put this in our website, and also we could use this in our phones. That is so common for the people that to look for the product. It could find easily now. Not that nowadays there's also an app that we could get food in the restaurants or things that we like. But in the time it was some of the most exactly ideas that happened for our minds. So we'll like to present this and to try to innovate in these ways, because this product was was based more on the small business that we could find in our neighborhoods, and it's also the place that we go if we want, or we just look to enjoy something, some candy, something that we'll like to get in that time. Well, it's presenting all the products that they have, and not exactly some things that are in packs. So we will look for that you could get a kilogram of some of the foods that the needs that you have to well to cook in that time, and the contact for us and to increase this new community with all the neighbors, all the little neighbors that we have, the little business. And well, it was some of the parts that has our application, like well, the product that we could modify and well select how many of these products we want, and also the list of that products, and well, some of the contact that the people in that are looking for this service are looking where he is for take care of our, oh well, that they can live from his house, not exactly. Well, that's it. It was a very innovative thing when it started with all the context that we lived. But I would like that. Oh well, I'm very satisfied that it could be innovative, and now it's something that we know a lot. So that's it. Thanks for everyone. And if you have some questions, you can write me. That's it. Thanks.